Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to share an inspiring story about Elon Musk, his life, and his great work. Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur who has changed the way we think about technology, space, and the future. Let's dive into his story. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mom, May, was a famous dietitian and model, and his dad, Errol, was an engineer. As a child, Elon loved to read and teach himself new things. At just 12 years old, he created and sold a video game called Blastar. But his life wasn't always easy. His parents divorced when he was young, and he had a tough relationship with his dad. When Elon was 17, he moved to Canada and later transferred to the University of Pennsylvania. He studied physics and economics, and he even took extra classes in engineering. After college, he moved to California to start his first company, Zip2, with his brother Kimball. They worked very hard, sometimes sleeping in their office to save money. Their hard work paid off when Compaq bought Zip2 for over $300 million. Elon was only 27 years old. With the money from Zip2, Elon started his next big project, X.com, an online payment company. X.com later became PayPal, which revolutionized how people pay for things online. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion, making Elon a multimillionaire. But Elon didn't stop there. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, a company that aimed to make space travel cheaper and eventually send people to Mars. Many people thought he was crazy, but Elon believed in his vision. In 2008, SpaceX launched the Falcon 1 rocket, the first privately funded liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit. This was a huge achievement. SpaceX continued to break records, like when the Falcon 9 rocket landed vertically in 2015. This showed that rockets could be reused, making space travel more affordable. In 2004, Elon joined Tesla Motors, a company that wanted to make electric cars. He became the CEO in 2008 and led the company to create amazing electric vehicles like the Roadster, Model S, and Model 3. Tesla's cars are not only fast and stylish, but also good for the environment. Elon's work at Tesla has helped make electric cars more popular and accessible to people around the world. Elon didn't stop at cars and rockets. He also co-founded Neuralink, a company that works on connecting human brains to computers. This could help people with disabilities and even enhance human abilities. In 2016, he started The Boring Company, which aims to build underground tunnels to solve traffic problems. And with Starlink, he's working to provide internet access to people in remote areas using satellites. Elon Musk's life is full of big dreams and hard work. He faced many challenges, but he never gave up. His achievements in technology, space, and sustainable energy show us that with determination and a clear vision, we can change the world. Elon's story is a reminder that the future is what we make of it. Well, that's the story of Elon Musk. Thanks for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. We'll be back next time with another inspiring story. Have a great day.